Which unit of measure is most appropriate to describe the length of a page in a textbook? A. Centimeter, B. Kilometer, C. Meter, and D. Millimeter. Did you delete
Let's
everything?
find out.
Now let's cross off kilometer and meter.
Sometimes measurement can be estimated and other times it must be very accurate. List locations where running times might be measured shown below. In the Olympics, on the playground, school track meet. Which list shows the locations in order from the greatest to the least? Need for accuracy. 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Let's find out. Well, let's think about this. In the Olympics, you're going to need a lot of accuracy because you need to know who got first place, second place, or third place. So I think that would probably be the first, and that was number 1. So I'm guessing it'll either be an H or a J. So now that we know that we can cross out G and F, we can start figuring out which other ones need the most accuracy. And now it's the school track meet, and you also need to determine a first place, second place, and third place. So we need to figure out how that's going to work. So that would be exact time, or how far you went to. So I think that would probably be second. And then on the playground, which you don't need to determine a first place, a second place, and a third place, right here, would be the last thing you needed to be accurate. It could be an estimate. So that is the order. So I'm guessing it'll be 1, 2, 3. So I'm sorry, I meant J. 1, 3, 2.
Okay, how are we doing?
Okay. Our Nico pours 80 liters of water.
Where's ours?
No, it could be. I don't care.
Wait, get a different
Let's find out
iPad
now.
number 9.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mark down, like, what it would be on the meter stick. We're going to label the meter stick. Okay, so this is how you would mark it down if it were a ruler. But this is not a ruler, it is a meter stick. So we're going to add a 0 as if there were 10 ticks in between each one. So 10, 20, 30, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now that we've done that, it is the correct way to mark a meter stick. And in between the shorter, like, marking, in between each long one represents half. So that would be like 0.5. And these are all centimeters. So I'm just gonna put a little C. And so now that we know those are centimeters, those ones are, sorry, that would be like 0.0 meters. So what we need to find out is what the answer was. So, yeah. So now what we have to do is, what would happen here in this small one, on this small one right here, we would write 15 because that's what 5 higher than 10 but 5 lower than 20. And then so we do the same for 25, 35, and so on and so forth. Now we need to look where the tick is, and it would be right here at 75, which, since it's not in a meter yet, would actually be 0.75 meters. So this G would be your answer. A group of 6 people equally shares 12 liters of juice. How many milliliters of juice does each person receive? 72, I apologize, 2,000, 12,000.